this is the best place you can go to start buying and trading NFTs. OpenSea. As you can see on here, you'll be able to sell extraordinary NFTs. So it's the largest NFT marketplace. So what we're going to do is just click right here where it says Explore, and you'll be able to see all the different type of collections that you can buy and trade on here. So art, music, domain names, virtual worlds, trading cards, collectibles, sports, and utility. So all you got to do is search for any one of those, and once you come up with one, if you have some Ethereum, you go ahead and buy this one. Once you buy it, you can trade it and make a profit.